I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and a clean environment. Charge the XM4 to at least half and move away from other Bluetooth devices to avoid interference. Once done, power off the headphones by holding the power button until you hear the shutdown voice. This ensures the unit accepts reset commands. Make sure the case is open if using truly wireless resets and keep a paperclip handy for the small pinhole procedure. These steps let the headphones enter the correct state for the next actions. You now execute the reset. Press and hold the power and noise cancel/custom buttons together for about 7 to 10 seconds. This forces a factory reset sequence. Watch the LED. A blue and red flash or a specific pattern indicates the reset is occurring, so release when it changes. If your XM4 variant uses a pinhole reset, insert the paperclip and hold for 5 to 7 seconds instead. Doing this clears pairing data and restores default audio and Bluetooth settings so you can reconfigure from scratch. You finish by powering the headphones back on and putting them into pairing mode. The LED should blink blue slowly. On your phone or computer, enable Bluetooth and select WH1000XM4 from the list to repair. This re-establishes a fresh connection and applies default audio settings. If pairing or audio issues persist, reboot your device, check for firmware updates in the Sony Headphones Connect app, and repeat the reset if necessary. These steps resolve most lingering connection or profile corruption problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.